Okay, so welcome back to the next video. So this video is based on gig creation. So these accounts I've just created, which I've setting up, and I've added a number to verify. So so I've set up the account and it's 70% complete. Because I've added the number, that's why it is 70% complete. So if you want it to be more completed, if you want the percentage to be more completed, you can add the Facebook, Twitter account, and as well the Stack Overflow, GitHub, and rest. You can add the remaining. So for the completion to be more than 70%, then I've verified the email and as well the number, phone number. So once I finish, it will lead me to where I can create my gig. So it will lead me to where I can create my gig. So, alright, okay. So yeah, this is where I will be creating my gig. So this is the overview, and this is what we are having in this stage. We have the gig title, we have the category, we have the search tag. So your title is very, very important. Your title is very, very important. And your title must contain keywords that are relating to what service you want to have, what you want to be rendering. So your gig title must contain keywords of that particular service. Must contain keywords of that particular service. And that's why you need to research for those keywords before you create the gig, because you can't just start typing because you don't know what keywords your buyer will be searching with to find the service they are looking for. So that's why I will be going with another browser which I have separated for making Fiverr research. Can you see Fiverr research? So yeah, so this is the account of this is the browser I've separated for Fiverr research. So this is where I'll be searching for the keywords and other things I'll be using for the gig creation. Now, before moving ahead, I want you to know that when creating gig, we can create gig in two ways. We can create gig from scratch and we can use OPB. OPB is in the sense that using up other people's brain, using other people's brain. So using other people's brain means other people that have created their gigs, you can use their idea in creating your own gig. That's OPB. While from scratch is you create because you've known the in and out of how to create gig, then you can type your own keyword from what you've seen, other things you've known that this is what you think buyer might be looking for. That's when you create from scratch. When you don't use other people's brain, you use your own brain in creating those uh gig. That's when you create from scratch. So but yeah, because I'll be using the OPB to teach us how to create gig. I'll be using the OPB to teach us how to create gig. Why is the service so bad? Service is a bit bad. So coming. Let me fix the service before we continue. So I'll fix the error, the network error. So now we are creating. I base this account on e-commerce, which is Shopify store. So Shopify store is just an e-commerce website where you use where you create your e-commerce website. So it's just an hosting platform for your shop creation. So or let's say your online store creation, yeah, your online store website. So continuing with the account creation now, we're going for Shopify dropshipping store. Now we'll search Shopify dropshipping store. So this is Shopify dropshipping store. Now, if you want to get those keywords, the keywords the keywords will be suggested here. Keywords will be suggested here. Keyword will be suggested here. So, and how did I get this keyword suggested for me? Can you see? So these are the keywords highlighted in blacks. So how did I come about these keywords? Because sometimes when you search on Fiverr, it doesn't bring it like this. So I installed an extension called Fiverr Quick View. So this is this Fiverr Quick View. I installed the extension, Chrome extension, Fiverr Quick View. This is what I installed. So that's why it helps me in suggesting those highlighted keywords. These are it will suggest the others in queue, the reviews the buyers have. So that's the work of the Fiverr Quick View. So it will make my research go well, make me this research go effectively for me to know the keywords other people are using to rank to Fiverr first page. So what do I need to check now is those keywords they these sellers use in common. The keywords the seller use in common. And what are these keywords this seller use in common? Yeah. And another thing is once you know those keywords, there are new keywords that do come out each time. There are new keywords that do come out whereby people are not like much there. Can you see that this is like 30,000 service available because people are using this keyword very well. So that's why it is. That's why people are for you to rank in this first page of this keyword, it will take time. You have to be committed to that gig, promote the gig always, and do more research on how to get the gig rank to first page. So that's what it require receiving projects, receiving ratings. That's what we pushed it to first page. So before that, and before it gets ranked to this, that means it will take a longer way. That's why we are going to be checking other keywords that are not as much as this keywords audience. So let's check another place with another keyword. So let's come down here. Let's start from this place using those keywords for research. So let's see the amount of people in website marketing. So can you see we have just 2,000. We have just 2,000 people here. That means we can use this keyword and they are having others in queue. Can you see almost all of them? Okay, the first 8 gigs are having others in queue. That means if you go to the first page here, you'll be receiving contacting and receiving projects. So we'll take note of this website marketing. So that's first thing. Take note of that website marketing. And as well, let's go for another one again. Shopify design. So those are the keywords that will be surfacing in your title. Those are the keywords that will be surfacing in your title. So we'll take note of marketing. Website marketing. So I'm going for another one again. So here is another keyword. Here is another keyword. Shopify design. So Shopify design has 9,000 service. That means as well we can go with that as well. And there's another some suggested keywords. Fiverr suggested this keyword themselves as well, not with the use of that extension. So let's check using these keywords as well. Let's open a new tab. So another thing we've taken note of is Shopify design. We have websites marketing, we have Shopify design, and as well now we have website promotion as well because there are just 4,000 services available here. So their audience are not like much. So we have website marketing, Shopify design, website promotion. So those are the keywords we'll be using for our gig creation. So website promotion, we have Shopify. Let's check Shopify promotion as well. Shopify promotion. Can you see? Fiverr as well suggested the website marketing themselves. That means we are using the website marketing. So Shopify store design. Let's check the Shopify store design as well. Bicycle. So let's check the Shopify website design. So Shopify store design. We have 34. That means don't let us go with this. Let's check this create Shopify. There are much as well. Let's check Shopify website design. It's because of the research you are doing. That's why they ban temporarily. So let's use those first one. We'll see. Yeah, we have another ones here as well. Can check here as well. So that's how you make keyword research for your gig. So let's start with those keywords we've researched. So now we have website marketing, Shopify design. So first thing is that this I will is constant. It is there already. So you start using the keywords you see. So leaving this I will, you don't need to type I will again because Fiverr has already customized that I will. So everything with your gig starts with I will. So you don't need to type I will again. So we go straight with the keywords. So I will design. What do we have here before? We have Shopify design. I will do, or let's say I will design Shopify drop shipping because you are dealing with drop shipping stuff. I will design Shopify drop shipping store website with Facebook video ads marketing. So I have different keywords in this title already. I have design Shopify already. I have design Shopify dropshipping store. I have Shopify dropshipping store. I have Shopify dropshipping websites. Those are the keywords I'm mentioning. I have dropshipping store. I have dropshipping websites as well. I have we have websites marketing. So this is website marketing, website and marketing. That is the website and marketing. That means that keyword has surfaced here. I have what else do I have in those keywords? I have Shopify design. I have website promotion. That means We need to add promotion to this thing as well. Marketing, Facebook video marketing. Promotion. Let me remove this with Facebook video promotion, video marketing and promotion. How I don't know what you do video and promotion. So now the subcategory has already been suggested. Category has already been suggested. So in this category, I will be using website design because offers are always much on this website design. You always see website design offers. So based on Shopify store. So I will be choosing this graphics and design, which is website design. So that is my category. We have different categories here. These are different categories we have. Graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming and tech and data. We have business, we have lifestyle. Those are the categories. And each has their own subcategories. Under this graphics design, if I pick the graphics design, under this graphics design, we have different subcategories. We have logo design, branding style. Those are the subcategories under this graphics and design. These are the subcategories. You can see how much these subcategories are under this graphics and design only. Likewise, we have the digital marketing. Under digital marketing, that's where we have our marketing services. So we have different marketing services under this digital marketing. So you can see. So that means if you are rendering the marketing service, we have the writing and translation. If you are going with writing and translation, we have different subcategories under writing and translation. That's where we have the article and blog post, proofreading, website content, and different things like that. So can you see as well video animation? If you are going with video animation category, that means we have different subcategories under this video animation. You can see e-commerce products video. So can you see them like that? App and website previews, drone videography, game trailers, products photography, and different. Those are categories under video animation subcategory. I mean, so we have music and audio. So we have different subcategories under them. So, but we are going with graphics and design, website design. So that is subcategory for what we are going for. So it will ask us to choose our gig meta description. So which is the e-commerce. We are going for the e-commerce. Website type. We are going for e-commerce. And our platform for creating that website is Shopify. We have other websites, e-commerce website as well we can use, but I'm basing on Shopify. We have WordPress. I can choose WordPress and Wix as well. So I can choose that three. So now we have the search tag. Search tag is what is next after uh the gig title category and gig meta description, metadata. So now your search tag must contain the keyword in your gig title. So and what are those keywords in our gig title? We have the website design, we have the website marketing, we have Shopify design, we have Shopify drop shipping, we have Shopify store, that's gig title, and we have website, Shopify promotion or website promotion, Shopify promotion. So we are to enter only five five out of those keywords. So then after that, you save and continue. You save and continue. Save and continue. So your gig is saving. So changes saved, and it's leading us to the next stage after the gig, after the overview stage. So after the overview stage, we have the pricing and package. We have this after pricing and package, we have the description and fact. We have the requirements, we have the gallery, and we have the publishing stage. Now the pricing and package. Now we have this different pricing and package. You can just if you want to use only this one package, you can use only this one package, but it is advisable we use the three packages. So we use the three packages. So now this name your package. What name do you want to give this package? I will advise you use keywords in naming your package. Shopify design, design, Shopify websites, Shopify dropship store. Now I was talking of OPB the other time, other people's brain. If you know how to create from scratch, then you are going to use those from scratch there. You are going to be using Yori to create it, but we are using OPB. Then when you are using OPB, you will check the first 8 gigs to create an OPB. The first 8 gigs that are at the first in the first page of the relevance, first page of relevance. So the first 8 gigs. So and that's first 8 gigs are those gigs that are having other in queue as well. So the first 8 gigs is what you are checking. Why not? Because our request is too much, that's why we are temporarily banned. I will use another browser to check them now. Let me use another browser to check so for us not to be delayed. So, because I don't want this video to be long. I don't want the video to be long. So okay, it's loaded already. So Shopify dropshipping. Why not? Shopify dropshipping. Allow you to load first before continuing. So the service is a bit slow here. So continue with the gig creation. So we already have we are going ahead with the package. So with the package already. So why is this a bit slow? Shopify dropshipping store. So Shopify dropshipping store. So as I said earlier, the first eight gigs is what you are checking on. The first 8 gigs. So now the first 8 gigs is what we are checking on. We have now this person in his basic package. This is the basic. This is his own package name, as we have named our after our keywords. He as well. This person as well named his package based on the keyword. So now in his basic package, he has full store with brand identity, premium team with all packages. Is this relating to the first thing for you to know is what is this thing relating to what I'm creating? Is the package description relating to what I'm creating? So, but this is not. I don't like this description. How this package is because it's not like going ahead with what I'm looking for in this gig creation. So then I'll be moving to the next one. Now this one is relating to what I'm creating. This one says one product branded store for or 10 products plus premium theme plus logo plus custom banner plus research and more. So this is like what we are looking for. We have all basic plus clean description, guide to get sales, private branding, SEO booster, deep research. So in this premium, we have all standards plus secrets. I still want to go for something more tasty, something in which your buyer will see and will want to order you, want to buy your gig as well. So you say this one says high converting one product dropshipping store, focus on what brings results. Standard says and it's premium. So I'm still going for more. So this one says one product store on a premium team plus niche and product research plus full design and work. What does this premium says? The standard says create a professional design store with premium team and 15 winning products. Create a professional. Let's go with another as well. Yeah, this person is what I love using most. This person's idea is what I love using most. So it says free Shopify team plus Shopify store plus 5 trending products newsletter. So even buyer seeing this will wants to buy your gig. Wants to buy your gig. Let's check others so that it won't be like we didn't check others as well. Shopify store with 10 products. This one as well is okay. Professional store with amazing design, 2 weeks as management. That is okay as well. Shopify store plus premium thing, hot premium. So this person as well is okay. I think I will prefer us going. I think this person as well use this person's idea. He uses. So let's check the order in queue for this person. This person has 14 order in queue. This person has. So I think let's go with this person's one. Let's go with this person's one. So we have it. Our company is basic by two. We paste here. So let's check cross check. Shopify store setup plus premium team. I'll not be because this basic I'll not be going with this. Basic gig is just something one can avoid straight. A price someone can avoid. Just a mere thing you can just do. So I can go with free team. Free team. Free team plus 10 products plus set up 4 apps plus trot badges plus custom SEO title. So that one is okay. The standard, what is the standard saying? Say pro Shopify store plus premium team plus start 30. So I love this uh description, pricing and package, this package description, how this person uses his own pricing package description. Premium Shopify store plus advanced premium design 30, 50 hours in-depth research, lifetime support and logo. So I'll be editing this one myself. So I'll be removing in-depth this live support. I'll be removing it. I will be putting marketing, social media marketing, social media SM. Let me just short it. SM marketing. Or let's say SSM. SMM. It is social media marketing. Social media marketing is SMM. So plus logo. So that's it. Done. How many days are you going to deliver with? Let's check this person's days. He use this person used 10 days, 14 days, 21 days. Actually, we can reduce our days as well. Instead of the 10 days, I can put 4 days here. Here I can use just 5 days. I can reduce this to 3 days, 5 days, and 7 days. 7 days. So now your store must be responsive already. You are showing the buyer that it will be responsive. Then content upload. You are going to upload content already to the store. So that's what we'll be choosing from those. So are you putting revision? Revision in the sense that can your buyer ask for a revision? So I'll be leaving that. So now what price range do you want to put? So basic must be lesser, standard a medium price, then your premium is the high price for the store creation. So this person is a level 2, so that's why the prices are high. But as a new seller, you must bring down your prices. As a new seller, your prices for you to get more orders, for you to be able to get those ranks as well to level 1, other status, other stages as well. So before, as a new seller, your prices must be low compared to those other level sellers as well. So first price, you must let's minimum price which each and everyone can avoid, which is $50. Then the premium can go as far as 150, and the that's standard, and the premium can go as 250. So if you have any other extra service you want to upsell, you can add it here. But I'll be continuing with my own gig. So I'll be continuing here, saving and continue. I'll finish that. I'll be saving and continue. So after saving and continue, the next thing is what? Is the description. The next thing is the description. I want to describe what is the gig all about. What is it based on? What's the description about that this service we are trying to render is what is next. So description. So then we'll be going for the description. What's description? How do you create the description? Now I'll be first checking this person we use the pricing and package for creating our description. So now you should not let your description be same as this. And you can write your own description from scratch as well using keyword. Now I want to write this description firstly with my own idea. First thing, I want to write this description with my own idea using the keywords. Now I'll be going back to where the keywords are suggested for me. Where these keywords are being suggested for me, I want to use those keywords. So I'll be copying all those keywords and I will paste it into my description to write myself a good description. And this thing not fast. The video is getting a little bit longer. So I want to be fast with rounding up the gig creation. So where are the keywords? Okay, it's loading. Where are those keywords? Why is it not loading anymore? Load. So again, temporarily banned. Let me cancel all these ones. Let me go back to this place. This place they didn't suggest because I didn't use that extension. Those keywords are not suggested for me. So, but those, the keywords are not suggested for me because I didn't use that extension. Yeah. So, I'm coming. Let me cancel and start again. It's been limited. Let's use someone account here. Okay, let's use this place. So, we need to be fast because of the battery life is going down. So, I'm switching to buy. Switching to buy. Because of time, we can just copy this person's. Let's just copy this person's description to avoid the time wasting much time. So, certified Shopify dropshipping and branded experts. Shopify dropshipping has helped me fulfill my dream. So now I will help you fulfill yours. Uh, Like I've mentioned in my video. So let's just copy this person's description first and use it for ours. But it's not advisable you copy the whole description of someone and just use it for your own description. You have to get something that you will be changing there for you to have it as your own copyright. So the person can report you once he sees you using his own content. So another thing you can do is you can just try and uh you can just use this uh article writing platform, which is we can use spinboats.com. You can use spinboats.com to rewrite those 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 titles. You can use it to rewrite those titles. Spinboats.com. You can use it to rewrite that description. Okay, so it's loading. I think we can still meet up. So still loading. The reason why I'm just loading that is just for us to know how to create from scratch. But let's use the OPB. So I told you we can just rewrite the stuff. You can write the description in using all those article writing platform to use the different English for the writing. So I'll just cross check if the person didn't use his own keyword here. So his own name here so that I can just change them. So it seems is this description is okay. So then we can continue. It seems it's okay, then we can continue. If you have any fact, if you want to add any fact, then you can add them here. Maybe you have something you want to assure your buyer of, then you can add them here. So then after that, then you save and continue. So you save and continue after the description, saving and continue. It says saving your gig. Gig is saving. So the next thing after this is I want to get ready the banner we'll be using for this. I want to design a banner. So I will be designing my banner from Canva. I want to design my banner from Canva. So I'll be using Canva a lot for the banner creation. So yeah. The next thing is the requirements. What requirements will we be asking for you from your buyer? Sorry. Oh shit. This is service. Service is bad. Shit. So the service draws back a bit. Let's continue with what we are doing. Want this thing to be saved before. We'll continue. So design our banner here. So I'll continue. So I'm designing my banner here. Which of these templates that I want to use? Which of these templates do I want to use? So choose a nice template for me to use. So choose a nice template. So if you are good in banner designing, you can just take one and edit. But I'm not like good in banner designing, so I just want to choose a nice template for me to use. So just want to use a nice template. Let me go ahead with this template. So I've chosen this template which I will be editing. So I've chosen this. So what requirements you'll be requiring for the Shopify? What are the requirements you need in rendering that service for the buyer? So that's what is being asked here. Your Shopify store login details. Login details. Shopify or URL. That's the first two things I'll be asking. Then it will ask. Then after that, it's going to where I can add my gallery, which is the image I'm editing. So that's why I want to be fast with the image. So Shopify shipping. Shopify dropshipping store, marketing and development. Email, and development. So I can just use sniping tools to crop. So start cropping. I will save. Now, if you want to save your gig, you must save your gig. You must download and save your gig with the keyword you are using. I want to use one of those keywords, Shopify. But I can use Shopify store. Let me use the website marketing. Website marketing. So that means I've used the keyword, one of those keywords to save my gig, which is the name when I'm uploading the banner. That is the name it will suggest. It will surface on Shopify, I be on Fiverr. Yeah, that's what it will surface on Fiverr. The keyword I use in saving the keyword I use in saving the gig. Once I upload, you will see now. It says the website marketing, the size is not enough for me. It's too small for uploading. It doesn't meet their requirements. Their requirement is 50/50 and 370. So let me check why it is not uploading. So I want to go and re-edit. So this is it. Once I left click, I mean right click, I want to go and edit. So I'm editing. I want to resize. So the pixel of the that's why the reason why it's not uploading is because this is 311 and the minimum requirement is 370. So I'll be changing that. So I'll be adding 100 to both. I'll be adding 100 to both. That means I'll be adding. So this is 4. Then I save again. Once I save, then I re-upload. So it won't first upload because it has already brought an error before. So I'll first use one to rectify it. Let me first use Coming, the same thing. Coming. So first thought is it says fail to upload. Please re-upload. So now we'll be re-uploading that, the one we edited now. So I'll be uploading this. Same error. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll be uploading it here and deleting that one because of the error it's bringing. So I'll re-upload here and I'll be deleting this. Once this one is uploaded, I'll be deleting this. So it will shift here back. So once you add an image, it is okay if you add an image. You can add three images, up to three images, up to three. You can add three images, but if you upload one as well, it's okay. So you can add video and you can have add documents. The document of maybe you have the document for your gig creation. For your service, you have a document that explains details of your service. Then you can upload, and as well you can upload video as well. So my image has uploaded already, and I mark this as I declare this. So I agree to the terms and condition, then I save and continue. So once I save and continue, the next thing is the publishing stage, where it will ask me to publish my gig, where I'll be asked to publish my gig. So still loading, still loading. So I can cancel this, cancel this. Why now? The service is a bit bad, that's why it's keep getting us back again. It's keep bringing us back to where we're already done. Let's be a little bit patient with this. It's remain the publishing stage. The publishing stage. So the gig will be in draft because of the error it's bringing the service. That's why it's brought the gig to draft because we have not published the gig yet. That's why it is in draft. So we'll be re-editing the gig and publishing it. This is low already. The service has delayed us in getting this gig done as fast as possible. So we're editing and publishing. So we're editing and publishing. It asks us to upload the gallery again. That means the image that was not uploaded that time. So we have to re-upload the image again. The service is delaying us a lot. So yeah, we have to agree to the disclaimer. Okay, the image is already uploaded. So now we have to publish the gig. So no, save, close. Then we publish the gig. Then we are done creating a gig. So the gig is now active, not in draft anymore. So the gig is now active. The gig is now active. So then we are now in a seller's dashboard, different from the buyer's dashboard now. So this is the seller's dashboard. So now we can start sending offer. So our next video will be based on how to send a professional offer. How do you send a professional offer? So that's what our next video will be basing on, how to send a professional offer. So after 24 hours, in the next day, we will have our impression already. So this is what we've been monitoring. Your impression and clicks is what we'll be monitoring. That's what will help your gig to rank into Fiverr first page using with those keywords. With those keywords. So now if you want to make sure your gig, if you want to check if your gig is live already, because there are some times whereby you create your gig and your gig is under review by Fiverr, they won't live your gig. And whereby you will be thinking your gig is live already. But whereas your gig is in review, under review. And once your gig is under review, buyer won't be able to search for your gig, won't be able to see your gig because your gig is under review, it's not in the search engine already. So for us to now check if your gig is in search engine, then we have to go and check for that. So I'll be showing you how to check that in the next video. Let's stop this video here.